Hello everyone. So let's take up the plateaus and the deserts of Asia. In the previous videos, we already discussed about the areas surrounding Asia, and then we talked about the different mountains, the major mountain ranges found in Asia continent. So now in this video, we'll talk about the plateaus and the deserts of Asia. So again, doing the same thing, starting with the map. And then drawing Bangladesh, India, Kathiawar Peninsula, Pakistan, Afghanistan, then Iran, Persian Gulf, Arabian Peninsula, Israel part, Turkey, then above is Black Sea, over here is Caspian Sea, this is Black Sea, Caspian Sea, and over here a small sea called Aral Sea. Yes, so the plateaus, first we'll see the plateaus. So first plateau is over here, Pamir Plateau. So this plateau is Pamir Plateau, and over here there is another plateau, this one. So this one is Pamir Plateau. That Pamir not, वो Pamir Plateau है. It is the highest plateau of the world. It is the highest plateau of the world. Somewhere the height is between 4,800 meters to 5,000 meters. So roughly you can take it as 4,900 meters of height. This plateau, the highest plateau of the world, from where a number of mountain ranges have emerged. We have already seen that. Then if you remember, over here we had Kunlun. This mountain range was Kunlun, and this mountain range is Himalaya. This plateau between the two is Tibet Plateau. So Tibet Plateau is typically an example of intermountain plateau. Plateau between two mountains. Intermountain plateau. Then another important plateau, this Arabian Peninsula Plateau. Arabian Plateau, this entire plateau is Arabian Plateau. Arabian Plateau. And in fact, over here, this plateau is Iranian Plateau. This one is Iranian Plateau. Iranian Plateau or Plateau of Iran. And obviously this is Deccan Plateau. Over here we have Deccan Plateau. In India we have Deccan Trap or Deccan Plateau, which is also called Deccan Shield. In fact, this Arabian Plateau is also called Deccan Shield. So these are the important plateaus of Asia. Now let's see the deserts. So if I use this color for the deserts of Asia, so starting with our own desert, Thar desert over here. Thar desert is in Pakistan as well as in India. Then south of this Kullu range, if you remember, this is Kullu range. South of this range over here, north of this you will find Tian Shan mountain range. So north of Kullu and south of Tian Shan is a plateau which is a desert. It is also a plateau and as well as a desert, and this plateau is named as Taklamakan. Taklamakan plateau and desert, both. Taklamakan. And then in the northeast of Taklamakan, over here, the Mongolia and the northern part of China and some parts of Russia, southern part of Russia, over here we have another desert called Gobi Desert. Gobi Desert. So on the southwest of Gobi Desert, the mountain range was Altai mountain. अभी पिछले वाले वीडियो में we discussed about all these mountains. So this Gobi Desert, Mongolia, northern part of China and then southern part of Russia, Gobi Desert. Taklamakan Desert, Gobi Desert. So in the inner continent of Asia. Then over here you must have seen a desert, this part, and this desert is known as Rubal Khali. In the southern part of Saudi Arabia and parts of Yemen and Oman. This country is Oman, this country is Yemen, and obviously this bigger country is Saudi Arabia. So primarily it is present in Saudi Arabia, but parts of Yemen and Oman is also occupied by this desert. Then over here you must have seen a desert. Over here, this part, that desert is named as, just a second, that desert is named as this one. In the northern part of Saudi Arabia, this desert is Al-Nafud. स्पेलिंग थोड़ी सी वेरी कर सकती है बिकॉज दिस इज अरेबिक लैंग्वेज, तो थोड़ी सी स्पेलिंग ऊपर नीचे हो सकती है, बट दैट मेक सेंस. ओके, सो अल नाफू, दिस Iranian plateau is also a desert. In fact, the famous desert over here would be, this is on the northeastern part of Iranian plateau, is desert called, this one is Dasht-e Kavir. Dasht-e Kavir, and over here on the southern part, this one is another desert called Dasht-e Lut. This one, if I write here, so this is Daste Lut. Okay, so these are the important plateaus and the deserts of Asia. Thank you so very much. We'll see you in the next video.